Welcome back to Hambalung Studio, where we believe your living spaces should tell a story of timeless craftsmanship and effortless contemporary living. Have you ever stared at a room and wondered how to embrace cozy, heritage warmth without letting your interiors feel stuck in the past? Today, we are unlocking the ultimate blueprint for mastering a design style that bridges the gap between heritage charm and sleek sophistication. Ensuring your home feels completely fresh and intentional. When designing a truly breathtaking sanctuary, the secret lies in curating a delicate balance between raw organic textures and streamlined modern lines. Whether you are arranging a welcoming living room, outfitting a functional culinary space, or selecting the ideal office furniture to maximize your remote productivity, every single design choice should serve both beauty and purpose. We are diving deep into how to elevate your everyday environment without letting your interior style feel heavy or dated. Throughout this design journey, we will explore how thoughtful styling can completely transform your living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and garden into a unified masterpiece. By blending traditional farmhouse elements with minimalist decor accents, you can achieve an aesthetic that is both deeply comforting and brilliantly upscale. Get ready to rethink your space, spark your creativity, and discover how to bring your dream interior to life right here at Hambalung Studio. Heart of the narrative. As we step through the front door, the living room welcomes us with an open-concept embrace. The secret to a timeless aesthetic here is balance. We start with crisp, bright architectural walls, then anchor the room with distressed reclaimed wood ceiling beams that tell a story of craftsmanship. Layer textures. Pair a plush, slip-covered neutral sofa with industrial iron-accented coffee tables. Incorporate oversized windows to flood the room with natural light, highlighting the rich grain of your farmhouse elements without weighing down the visual space. Keep your decor curated rather than cluttered. Think oversized ceramic vases, woven jute rugs, and matte black lighting fixtures that elevate the entire atmosphere. Culinary craftsmanship. Moving into the kitchen and dining area, functionality meets soulful hospitality. This space is designed to be the hardworking engine of the home while maintaining an undeniable visual charm. Combine pristine quartz countertops with rich, shaker-style cabinetry painted in deep charcoal or soft warm white. Introduce an expansive center island finished with distressed wood paneling, surrounded by minimalist metal counterstools. For the dining nook, a long trestle table paired with mixed material seating invites lingering dinners. Integrate subtle touches of timeless farmhouse charm through vintage-inspired brass hardware and open shelving that displays your everyday artisanal decor essentials with effortless grace. A sanctuary of rest. Transitioning into the primary bedroom, the narrative shifts from lively gathering to serene retreat. Your private sanctuary should quiet the mind the moment you cross the threshold. Ground the room with a custom vertical wood slat accent wall behind a low-profile platform bed. Layer crisp linen bedding in earthy tones like flax, moss, and muted stone. If your bedroom doubles as a productive zone, seamlessly integrate workspace elements by choosing streamlined office furniture crafted from warm oak or walnut. Ensuring your functional needs never compromise the tranquil aesthetic. Complement the setup with minimal decor pieces, such as a matte black task lamp and a single calming branch in a ceramic vessel. Everyday spa luxury. The journey continues into the bathroom, where clean geometry meets organic warmth to transform a purely functional routine into an indulgent ritual. Install large-format concrete-look floor tiles paired with vertical white zellige wall tiles that catch the morning light. A floating vanity made of natural white oak adds warmth against matte black plumbing fixtures and framed pivot mirrors. Elevate the space with thoughtful decor details. Plush Turkish cotton towels rolled in wire baskets. Amber glass soap dispensers, and a touch of greenery to bring the outdoors inside. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Finally, we step outside into the garden, the final chapter of our home narrative. A truly great design blurs the boundary between interior comfort and outdoor living. Create distinct zones using poured concrete pavers edged with river rock and lush, cascading ornamental grasses. Incorporate raised planter boxes made of corten steel for a striking industrial contrast against vibrant green foliage. Arrange weather-resistant seating around a modern fire table, using subtle outdoor decor like string lights and minimalist lanterns to set an enchanting evening ambience for gatherings under the stars. as we wrap up our design journey here at Hambalung Studio. Remember that creating a timeless sanctuary is all about intentional balance. By thoughtfully blending classic farmhouse architecture with curated decor pieces and functional upgrades like stylish office furniture, you have all the tools needed to build a home that feels both deeply personal and effortlessly modern. If this walkthrough inspired your next home renovation or styling project, make sure to show your support for the channel. Subscribe to Hambalung Studio, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow design enthusiasts. Drop a comment below to let us know which room you are planning to transform first. Welcome to our creative community, and we cannot wait to build and inspire together in the next video.